How to change profile picture in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to change your profile picture on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top right corner. Select it. Now to change your profile picture on it, you need to change your profile picture onto the Instagram account of yours. Now tap onto the Instagram icon right here. Select it. Now you will see your account right here. Now tap onto edit profile. Tap on it. Now to change your profile picture, tap onto your profile right here and simply choose from library, or you can also import from Facebook or take photo. So tap onto one just like this and simply choose one photo just like this and tap on to done. And now you can see your profile picture has been changed and it will be changed onto this app as well. And that's it. This is how you can change your profile picture into the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.